in the previous video we have just completed our previous chapter, that was chapter number 8, and now in this video we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, algebraic equations. In that, here in the introduction part you can see an equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities involving one or more variables. There the expression on the either side of the equal to the sign are called the members of the equation. In an equation, the value of the quantity which is not known is referred to as unknown member or the unknown. Here are some of the examples. Here 2x plus 3 is equal to 11, x minus 3 is equal to 8, y plus 3 is equal to 21. So these are some of the examples. Here I am just writing 2x plus 3 is equal to 11, x minus 3 is equal to 8, y plus 3 is equal to 21. Okay, these are three equations. In that you can see that this both are equal to each other, means LHS is equal to RHS. How? First of all, we have to find the root value of it. So how we will find the root value? Here it is. So root value, it can be find that what is the value of x over here. So first of all, what we have to do? 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. It is given in the equation. So if I just take this minus plus 3 towards the right hand side, then it will become minus 3. So it can be written as 2x is equal to 11 minus 3. Okay students, here. Then after we get the answer, that is 2x is equal to 8. Okay. And then after this 2, which is over here in the multiplication, when it goes towards the right hand side, it becomes the, if here it is in the multiplication, when it goes towards the other side, means on the RHS side, it becomes in division. So x is equal to 8 upon 2, that is 2 4s are 8, and x is equal to 4. And here you can see, if I put the value of x is equal to 4, if I put value of x is equal to 4 over here, then let us see what can over here. So here LHS is equal to, here it is given 2x plus 3, that is LHS, and here we have to put the value of x, that is 4. So I will put 4 over here, okay, and then after plus 3. So we will get 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, that is 11 is equal to RHS. You can see here the value of RHS is equal to 11, and if I just put x is equal to 4, then we will get 11 as our, 11, and which is LHS is equal to RHS. And here the another example is given. So let us do that. So here you can see the equation which is given, that is x minus 3 is equal to 8. It is given. Okay, and then after, if I say I take this minus 3 towards this side, then it will become plus 3. So x is equal to 8 plus 3. Okay, that is x is equal to 11. Okay, so here if I put the value of x in the LHS, means LHS is equal to, what will be there, that 11 minus 3. So 11 minus 3, that is 8 is equal to RHS. Okay students, is equal to RHS. Then after the third one, it is given, that is y plus 3 is equal to 21. So here also, if I take this plus 3 towards the another side, that is here it is right hand side. So y is equal to 21 minus 3. So y we will get, that is 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. So if I just put the value of y in this equation, so it will be LHS is equal to y plus 3, and here the value of y, that is 18 plus 3, here we get, that is 21 is equal to RHS. Okay, is equal to RHS. So if you want to write this solution, you can write, and we will move further. Here you can see in the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Note that 2x plus 3 is the left hand side member and 11 is the right hand side member of the equation. In other words, in an equation, the term on the left hand side of the equal to sign are equal to the right term on the right hand side of the equal to sign. Consider the following equation, that is 5x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 7. So here the LHS is equal to 5x plus 3 and RHS is equal to 7x minus 7. An equation is like a weighting balance having equal weights on each pair of the balance. 5x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 7, which is LHS is equal to RHS. Then after, the equation x minus 3 is equal to 8 means that when 3 is taken away from the unknown number x, we are left with the 8. Look at the scale of the balance in figure 9.1. You can see here a balance is given. Do you find any similarities between the balance and an equation? Yes, there is equal weight. So an equation is like a balanced pair of scales. Both sides on an equation are balanced in the same manner as the scales of the balance. If first is, some of the rules are there, that is, in order to maintain the balance, we need to remember the following rules. That is, first one, that is, if any mass is added to one side of the balance, a corresponding mass should also be added to the other side. Second one, if any mass is taken away from one side of the balance, a corresponding mass should also be taken away from the other side. If the mass on the one side is doubled, tripled or multiplied by any number, the same number must also be done to other side. If the mass on one side is half or divided into certain number of the equal parts, the same has to be done on the other side of as well. Then after, equation also follows these four principles of an balance. If we add, subtract, multiply or divide any one side of the equation by any number, we have to do the same other side. We have to do the same on the other side of the equation and by the same number to keep the equation balanced. And here our topic is solving an equation. So how we will solve an equation, which I have already teach you, but here in the example number 1, let us see that how we can solve the equation. Here, the example number 1, which is given, solve equation, this equation, example number 1, that is x plus 7 is equal to 15. X plus 7 is equal to 15. So, let us see and solve this equation. So as I just done before, you just first of all try by your own, and then after I am just solving this and giving you some time. here we have to find the value of x. Here by solving this, so what we will do here, the equation is x plus 7 is equal to 15, which is given over here. So here what we will do is, if I take this plus 7 towards this side, if I take this plus 7 towards this side, then it will become minus 7. And you can also do that. What you will do, x plus 7 removing, sorry, I forgot to write the sentence. Subtracting minus 7 from both sides. Okay, so here x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 7. Okay, subtracting minus 7 from both sides. So we have to subtract minus 7 from here also and minus 7 from here also. You can see here I have subtracted that, this one and this one. Okay, so what we will do here, plus 7 minus 7 will be 0, so here will remain x, and 15 minus 7, that will be 8. So x is equal to 8, which is our answer. If in this equation I put the value of x, that is 8, so 8 plus 7, that is 15. Okay students, if you want to write, you can write this. And here you can see solution of an equation by trial or error. Here it is given trial and error method. So let us do that. First of all, you just write down this. Okay, done. So trial and error method. So what is it? Here an equation is given, that is 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3. So let us do that. 4x plus 3 is equal to 23, which is on the RHS side. So what you will do to find the value of x, you make a chart and here write down the values of x. Here write down the values of x, and over here you just write LHS, which is 4x plus 3. Okay, and here that is RHS, that is 23. Okay, which is 23. So if I take the value of x, that is 1. If I take value of x, that is 1. Okay, then let us see what we get the value here in the LHS. So 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, sorry, 4 plus 3, that is 7. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, that is 7, and here will no change, so we will write 23 as it is. Then after second, that is value of x is equal to 2. If I take the value of x, that is 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, that is 11. So here it will be 11, and here you can see no x is there. So the 23 value will remain constant. And here if I take the value of x, that is 3. If I take the value of x, that is 3, then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, that is 15. So 15, and here it will remain same, that is 23. Okay, then after taking the value, that is 4, value of x, that is 4, then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19, and here in the RHS will remain constant. then taking x is equal to 5. So 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 3, that is 23, and here it is also 23. Now you can see we get both the answer. LHS is equal to RHS. So here the value of x is equal to 5. Okay, here the value of x is equal to 5. So we get the LHS is equal to RHS. And then after here example number 2 is given, that is determine if 3 is the root of the equation 5x minus 10 is equal to 5. So let us see example number 2, that is 5x we have to find out root is equal to 3, and here the equation which is given, that is 5x minus 10 is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to find out that 3 is the root of this equation or not. So let us see here what we have to do. In which side there is x, we have to take that is LHS is equal to what? LHS is equal to 5x minus 10. 5x minus 10. So here if I put the value of x is equal to 3, which is one of the root, that we have to find out that 3 is the root of this equation or not. Then after if I just put the value of x is equal to 3, then if the LHS is equal to RHS, then the root is there, means the 3 is the root of this equation. So here 5 and x value we just take it, that is 3, then minus 10. So here 5 3s are 15 minus 10, that is 5. Okay, that is 5. So here 3 is, here we can write 3 is the root of this equation. Okay, 3 is the root of this equation. Please note down this. And here example number 3, and here we just change the topic, and here sorry I just forgot to write the 5 is equal to RHS. Okay, 5 is equal to RHS. Then after moving towards example number 3, here we have just changed the topic, that is translating statements into algebraic equation. Translating statements into algebraic equations. So let us do that. Example number 3. Express the following as algebraic equation and solve. So here the A in the example number 3, that is twice a number increased by 7 is 13. What is the number? Here just try to understand this statement first of all, that is twice a number increased by how much? Increased by 7, then that number is 13. Here they are telling, if I take that let a number be x, So if I just thought that that number is x, then after what they are telling, twice a number, but here we have taken number is equal to x. So twice a number, that is 2x. Yes or not, student? Yes. Twice a number increased by means if we just increase that number, which number? Twice a number which is increased by 7, is increased by 7, then we get that is 13. Here we get that is 13. So here we have got the equation that twice a number increased by 7, that is 13. Okay, so this is the equation form, and then after we have to solve this equation. So we have two methods, that is trial error methods, which I have done earlier, and the another method by solving this. So in this, which we will take method, that is trial error method. So here one by one we will take the value of x. Here x, LHS is equal to 2x plus 7 and RHS is equal to 13. Okay, so here if I take the first of all the value of x is equal to 1, then here 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 7, that is 9, and the RHS has no x value, so it will remain 13 as it is. Then after, if I take the value of x is equal to 2, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 7, that is 4 plus 7, that is 13. Two 2s are 4. No, not 14, it is 11. So here the 13 will remain as it is. And then after, if I take the value of x is equal to 3, then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 7, that is 13. So here we get LHS is equal to RHS. So here I can say that the x value is equal to 3. So when the x value is 3, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay students, we get LHS is equal to RHS when x is equal to 3. Please note down this, students. And here you can see example number 4, B, we are remaining with B. So let us do that first of all. So example number 3B. Example number 3B, that is 7 times a number decreased by 4 is 10. Find that number. 7 times a number means first of all we have to take 7 times a number. So here I am just writing first of all B, that is let a number be x, let a number be x, and then after here what they are telling that 7 times a number decreased by 4. 7 times a number means 7x, that is 7 times a number decreased by how much? Decreased by 4. Decreased by 4 means subtracting 4. So it is decreased by 4, then we get our answer, that is 10. So here also just taking the trial error method and finding the value of x. So here x LHS, that is 7x minus 4, RHS, that is 10. So here if I take the value of x is equal to 1, so 7 ones are 7, 7 minus 4, that is 3, and here it will remain RHS is equal to 10. So no, x value 1 is not there. then taking x value, that is 2. So 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 4, that is 10. So here is also 10. So we get x value is equal to 2. So when the value of x is equal to 2, then we get LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 4, that is 10. Please note down this, students. And in your homework, what you just do is you just try exercise 9A, question number 1 and 2. Okay, you just try the exercise 9A, question number 1 and question number 2, and we will meet in the next video. Bye, students.